Crypto Hero here, and today I'm really looking forward to sharing my top 6 crypto choices for February 2024. These are the coins that I'm personally excited about, and I feel they have a great chance to multiply our money in the short and long term. Keep watching till the end so you know where I'm aiming to buy these coins and also what my targets are. I really think some of them could be life-changing for you, as we can see up to 100 times increase. The first project we're going to talk about is Cyfun Fund, a game-changing blockchain gaming project that I genuinely believe holds the key to transforming the future of the gaming industry. If you're on the lookout for an investment in the gaming realm, this is it, and I'll explain why in just a minute. Fund, the native token of Seedify Fund, operates on the BNB chain, making it a central player in the Web3 gaming revolution. But here's the exciting part. Seedify goes beyond gaming. It's a hub for blockchain gaming and metaverse innovation, offering support through funding, community building, and marketing. To participate in the initial DEX offerings, aka IDOs, you simply need to go through the Know Your Client process and choose your tier based on Fund holdings. Looking forward, I'm optimistic about Seedify Fund's expansion into AI-related project IDOs. The intersection of AI and blockchain has the potential to be a real game changer. The platform covers DeFi, AI, big data, NFTs, and Web3 gaming. I see staking Fund not only as a way to get early access to project tokens, but also as a smart move to multiply your investment. With more people staking Fund for early access, the native token's value is poised to rise. Checking out CoinMarketCap, I found Fund trading around $3.10 with a market cap of $182 million. Fund's fully diluted market cap is at $413 million, which seems very little compared to the nearly $250 billion gaming industry. In my eyes, this speaks unbeatable potential and appears as a solid investment opportunity. After closely examining the Fund chart on TradingView, I'm feeling really bullish about this coin. For those of you eyeing short-term trading, consider buying between $2.95 and $2.30, with targets set at $5 to $7. Looking at the midterm horizon, exit targets between $14 to $20 seems quite promising. For long-term holders, much like myself, accumulating between $2.20 to $3 could be a strategic choice. Based on my analysis and the track record of gaming projects, I'm confident that Seedify Fund has the potential to soar up to the $115 mark in the next bull market. But before we move on, let me show you how my members from my private community almost tripled their money with the position I gave them. Look at this post where I was talking about XAI and that I'll take a position at the 54-cent support, and now let's see what happened. We can see that from the buy zone, we had a 128% increase, and now the price is sitting around 87 cents. If you want to know the coins I'm buying in real time, my crypto portfolio, and also the short trades I take to make fast money, you have a limited offer for the first 5 members in the description. See you inside. The next pick for my February investment is Fire, and let me tell you, I'm really pumped about this one. What grabs my attention is its commitment to boosting businesses in a remarkable way, all while staying true to the UN's vision for a brighter future. Since its debut in 2021, Fire has rocketed to an impressive $1.5 billion valuation. This spike is thanks to major investments of over $121 million from big names like Gem Digital, SRAM & RAM Group, and Moonrock Capital. I am struck by how fast Fire is growing. It's been rapidly adding cool features like a wallet extension and collaborations with MetaMask. Plus, there was a huge mainnet launch in the third quarter of 2023. The best part, all of this is powered by their own currency, the Fire coin. What really makes me optimistic about Fire is their strategy in bringing together top-notch team members. Although there are 1.5 billion coins out there, only a small fraction, about 3.27%, are currently being used. I've got a good feeling about where Fire is heading, and I can't wait to see what's next. Right now, Fire is trading at about 25 cents, and the fully diluted market cap is around $365 million. It's not super common on a lot of exchanges yet, but just think about what could happen when it starts popping up on the bigger ones. I'm genuinely excited about its growth potential. I've been keeping an eye on the TradingView charts and saw that Fire hit our short-term target of 30 cents, just like we thought it would. However, I still think getting it somewhere between 22 and 25 cents, our original entry point, is a pretty smart idea. From what I can tell, it looks like it has a steady base or strong support level at about 20 cents. My tip is using dollar cost averaging whenever it drops by about 20%. For those looking for quick wins, aiming to sell at 34 cents and 38 cents might be a smart move. But if you're planning to stick around for the longer term, holding onto this coin could end up giving you returns that are 30 to 50 times what you initially invested. I'm really optimistic about where Fire is heading. One of the altcoins I've been really excited about lately is AtlasNavi. I've been accumulating it over the past few months because I see it as one of the hidden gems in the crypto world, especially when it comes to practical use. This project is doing something pretty cool. It's tackling the big issues of navigation and traffic management by using artificial intelligence. Now, AtlasNavi isn't your ordinary navigation app for phones. It's way more than that. With over 700,000 downloads worldwide, it's making a real impact. What's really neat is that it's a drive-to-earn app. Considering its huge global user base of drivers, I think it's got a ton of potential. The thing that gets me most excited about AtlasNavi is the benefits it offers to drivers, not just its token. I'm talking about savings on fuel, tires, and even cars. But what really makes it stand out are its partnerships with big names like OMV, Teriak Auto, Fiat Auto, Alfa Romeo, and top car insurance companies. These partnerships, in my opinion, are laying a solid foundation for the project. But AtlasNavi is more than just navigation. It's got features like trip video recording, live streaming, group trip tracking, and multiple stop trip planning. It even helps boost your driver score and keeps you in the loop with maintenance and road updates. I think it's a game changer in the world of navigation apps. When I checked out CoinMarketCap recently, I noticed this token is currently priced at about 8 cents and has a market cap of just $4.3 million. In my view, it's one of those small yet promising tokens with huge growth potential. Just imagine, it only needs to hit a market cap of $430 million to grow 100-fold, and I genuinely believe that that's achievable for projects like this. Looking at the chart, my advice would be to consider buying it at its current price, especially if you missed out when I first talked about it on the channel. However, if the market dips to the 6.5 to 5 cents range, I'd personally think about grabbing more to snag a better entry price. I'm really optimistic about where this project is headed. If we're talking short-term goals, I'd set sights on targets between 12 and 15 cents. For midterm, I could easily see it hitting between 34 and 41 cents. It's poised for significant growth in the coming years, and I'm excited about that. In my opinion, thinking about investing in this project seems like a really smart move. I'm even confident enough to say that I see it potentially doing 100 times in this bull market. Blur, which kicked off in October 2022, has rapidly made a name for itself as a leading Ethereum-based NFT marketplace. Blur caught my attention mainly because it was founded by Pac-Man Blur, a brilliant mind from MIT and a member of the Peter Thiel Fellowship. It's impressive how they've managed over $5 billion in trades working solely on the Ethereum mainnet. Honestly, I'm super impressed with Blur. It feels like they're paving the way for the future of NFT trading, and I can't wait to see what they do next. Let me tell you, in just half a year, Blur didn't just catch up with OpenSea, it raced right past it in the NFT marketplace game. We're talking over 600,000 active users and a massive $10 billion in trading volume. Blur is the native token of the Blur platform. There are about 3 billion Blur tokens planned to be shared over 4 to 5 years, with a focus on community, contributors, investors, and advisors. Looking at CoinMarketCap, Blur is around 61 cents with a market cap of $782 million. My technical analysis on TradingView suggests buying below 40 cents is a good entry, especially near the strong support at 28 cents. Short term, I'm eyeing targets of 90 cents to $1.10. For midterm, selling between $2.60 to $3 seems reasonable. Looking at the long term, I genuinely believe this coin has the potential to skyrocket, possibly making a 20 times return from these buying levels. They are constantly evolving and shaping the world of NFT trading with their focus and smart strategies. So the fifth coin I decided to invest in this February is Manta Pacific. I'm really excited because they've just launched their mainnet. This is huge for zero-knowledge applications. It's like a playground for innovators, offering token airdrops and low transaction fees. For me, Manta Pacific stands out because it's not just affordable, but it's also scalable and super user-friendly. It's ideal for anyone looking to create their own apps and dive into decentralized applications. It really feels like they're making zero-knowledge technology more accessible to everyone. And check this out, they've already locked in a total value of $956.98 million, processed over 12.77 million transactions, and have 196 projects in their ecosystem. I mean, that's impressive. The Manta network community is thriving, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this journey. I think joining now could mean growing together with this amazing project. Right now, Manta is trading around $3.50 with a market cap close to $880 million. I remember telling you when it was at $2.45, and guess what? It hit our short-term target of $3.40. That's nearly a 50% increase. But don't worry if you missed out, there are still great opportunities to jump in. Let's head over to TradingView for the latest chart analysis. As I'm looking at the charts on TradingView, my strategy is to buy in phases. I'm thinking of starting around $2.68 and potentially going down to $1.50 where there's solid support. I plan to break my purchases into portions, just like the chart suggests. For short-term goals, I'm setting my sights on selling around $4.06, but if we're thinking midterm, I'm aiming between $7 and $12. Remember, this project is just getting started, so I'm really optimistic about the possibility of getting 20 to 30 times returns on our investment. The last project we're investing in this February is Celestia. It's a cool modular blockchain network that's super helpful for developers who want to build and run their own blockchains. Now let's talk about TIA, the core token of Celestia. I see TIA as a multi-purpose player in this ecosystem. It's used for a bunch of things like paying for data stake TIA, publishing data, and keeping the network safe through staking. It's also the go-to token for developers working on their rollups. What I find really convenient is how you can manage TIA with various wallets: Kepler, Cosmos Station, Leap, and even Ledger. You can use them on your phone or computer, and trust me, getting to grips with these wallets is key for safely using TIA on Celestia, ensuring secure transactions and peace of mind. TIA is currently trading at about $17 with a market cap of $2.7 billion. When I examine the charts on TradingView, it appears that TIA has solid support around the $10 mark. From my personal perspective, buying at $10 seems like a good strategy, but we all know how volatile the crypto market can be. In a bear scenario, I think getting TIA at $8 would be a worthwhile investment if it ever dips to that level. However, I wouldn't wait around for it to drop. In fact, I'd consider buying some TIA at anything below $12, but only a small amount initially. Practicing DCA is a strategy I find sensible, especially in projects where you believe in the long-term vision. I'm optimistic about TIA reaching between $25 to $40 in the short term. Looking at the midterm, I believe that targets of $70 to $80 are within reach for this coin. In the long term, TIA can achieve a 15 to 20 times increase from its current value. So these were my coins for February 2024, and don't forget to watch this video next about the top 10 crypto coins for 2024.